In the electronics industry, your market window is usually just a few months long. If your automation equipment is delayed, that window slams shut. That is why you need a partner with serious in-house capabilities, not just good design ideas. Why do most equipment builds take so long? Because they start every project from scratch. They wait on new molds, write fresh code, and hunt down outsourced parts all over the place. We guarantee fast delivery because we control the process. We machine our own mechanical parts. Our CNC centers, vibratory bowl manufacturing, and sheet metal shops run entirely in-house, so we never wait in line for third-party vendors. Furthermore, over the last 20 years, we've standardized our core technology. Feeding units, material handling, assembly, testing, and sorting are all proven standard modules. When you bring us a new requirement, our engineers aren't starting with a blank page. They pull from a library of mature modules. The more proven modules we use, the faster your delivery and the lower your risk. True speed isn't about working overtime. It is the result of decades of engineering experience.